Welcome to the Isha Vyas channel. Today Isha Vyas presents Constitution of USA. Constitution of USA. Introduction. The America was discovered by Columbus in 1492. The Constitution was ratified and finally adopted on June 21, 1788. George Washington was elected the first president of the Republic. Next one is USA map. You see the map of United States of America. Washington, these are the states of America: Washington, Oregon, California, Nevada, Idaho, Wyoming, Utah, New Mexico, Texas, Alaska, Hawaii, New York, New Jersey, Peninsula, Philadelphia, Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Maryland, Delaware, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Vermont, and so on are the states of the United States of America, right? You can take screenshot. Next one is that you see there is Alaska. Alaska is not joined this boundary. Alaska is joined the Canada, but it is the state of the America. And the Hawaii is not joined the land of the United States of America like these states. These are in the water bodies. These is the states where in the water bodies, right? Coastal area, we can say. Hawaii and Alaska is not sharing the land boundary of America, but it is the state of the America. Next one is features of the American Constitution, right? Next one is most enact and written constitution. Enact and written constitution. The Constitution of the United States of America is the oldest constitution in the world. Originally, there were 13 colonies in the USA in 1776, right? When the written constitution, right? Written constitution means where the major portion of the constitution is to be written, and when it formed, there is a particular place, particular time, and particular person. The next one is that it is formed on 25th May 1787 and 17th September 1787 is the particular time where the American Constitution was formed. The representative of the 13 states is the particular person who formed the American Constitution. Third one is in Philadelphia is the particular place where the Constitution is formed. Clear? Next, most brief constitution. The American Constitution is the briefest constitution of the world according to Monroe. It contains 4,000 words, occupying 10 or 12 pages of the print, which can be read within half an hour, right? There are only 7 articles in the American Constitution, and whereas the 395 articles in the Indian Constitution and 128 in Australia and 123 in Swiss Constitution. And the next one is supremacy of the Constitution. In America, the Constitution is supreme. The Constitution is supreme. The American Constitution is supreme. No other law is above the Constitution, right? Next one is popular sovereignty. In American Constitution, ultimate power resides in the common people. That's why we call popular sovereignty. It's also called as common sovereignty. Next one is Republican government system. Republican government system. The American form of government is republican. Unlike the England, there is a no hereditary monarch. The head of the state is elected by maybe directly or indirectly. That's it. The next one is presidential. Presidential government system. In America, there is a single executive. In this nominal or real executive, power resides in one. It's called president. Presidential government system is executive is not be responsible to the legislature. In presidential government system, president tenure, executive tenure is fixed. But in England, executive tenure is uncertain. Presidential government system is lack of political homogeneity and collective responsibility. Leadership of president is in presidential government system. Next one is federal government. In federal government, there is a division of power between central and state government by the constitution. In federal government, if there is necessity of written constitution, because when there is dispute between central government and state government, the written constitution is a proof of the division of power somehow. In federal government, there is a rigid constitution. In this, the process of amendment of laws to follow by the central government or state government. It is important. There have been only 27 amendments in the American Constitution. This is clearly proves that the American Constitution is a perfect example of the rigid constitution. Rigidity. It has been pointed out the American Constitution is supreme and the judiciary its guardian. When any state legislature or the federal legislature make a law, it is against the Constitution or to be the cross their boundaries or as per the fundamental rights of the people, it is declared as null by the judiciary with the help of judicial review in the American Constitution, right? So that's why we say the judiciary is the guardian of American Constitution. And in federal government, there's a dual citizenship in American Constitution. It is the first place that the citizenship of the America, which gives the American to the right to participate in the national politics. And secondly, the citizenship of the state where he resides. This is in contrast to India, where an Indian enjoys only the citizenship of the India, right? Next one is rigid constitution. We can already said that the Constitution of America is rigid because it cannot be amended by the ordinary law making process. There have been only 27 amendments in the American Constitution. The first 10 amendments for the fundamental rights of the people, 13th amendment to abolish the slavery system, and the 19th amendment is for the women vote. The next one is bicameral legislature. Bicameral legislature means that the division of legislature between two houses, first and lower house, second and upper house. First and lower house called the House Representative, which have 435 members, and second and upper house called Senate, which have 100 members. The next one is indirect democracy. Indirect democracy is when the people elect representative who votes on laws on the behalf of the people. For example, indirect democracy is when we elect people to Congress to represent us, right? So these are the features of the American Constitution. Thanks to watch my video. Thank you so much. Hope you help this video a lot. Thank you so much.